So every year I take a trip to a city that I've never been to before, and this year will be no different. We are going to Mumbai, baby, and I'm so excited. Now, full disclosure, I have been to Mumbai before, but I did not explore the city. I've heard that the culinary scene in Mumbai is buzzing, so let's go check that out. Now, you guys already know that I travel solely for food, and lately there's been a lot of hype around Mumbai's food scene. So here I am in Mumbai city to find out if the food actually lives up to it. You see, I'm from Bangalore and I'm of the opinion that Bangalore has the best food in all of India. From the local cuisine to international cuisines to cuisines from other states of India. I believe that Bangalore does it the best. But these Mumbai influencers have made me question my opinions. So over the next few days, we're gonna find out if these influencers are just hyping the food or is it actually the best food in the country. But first, let's check into our hotel room. We are staying at Taj Land's End, one of the best properties here in Mumbai. Let's check out the room real quick. Okay, pretty basic. Nothing fancy, nothing over the top, just the basics. One nice bed, couch, cuck chair, and a beautiful view. Bro, I got a partial sea view. Not bad at all. The reason I chose this particular hotel is because it's located in Bandra, which is where most of these fancy cafes are located. The cafes that influencers keep talking about. Let's see what the washroom is like. You enter, there's a bathtub to your right. Wash basin. Guess this is a commode. Decent room. Mumbai mein you don't get a lot of space, but this does not feel congested by any means. Simple hai, there's not much happening here, but it'll do just fine. Now the first thing that I do after checking into a hotel room is order room service. Well, technically the first thing that I do is I take a dump, but after that I order room service. And I don't just order anything, I order one masala chai. It's almost a ritual at this point. Check into a hotel, order one masala tea, take a shower, enjoy that tea and then head out. Okay bruv, my chai is here. It took them 38 minutes to get this tea to my room. That's a lot of time, okay? Room service usually 25-30 minutes mein ho jata hai, and especially chai to 15 minutes mein aa jati hai. 38 minutes, that's a lot of time. Anyways, we also have some biscuits with this chai, and this masala tea costed me 943 rupees. Cute kettle though. Oh, that tastes exactly like Taj Palace Delhi ki chai. Same taste. And Taj Palace Delhi was my favorite in-room tea. This is right up there. So I drank Taj Land's End Mumbai and Taj Palace equally when it comes to tea ka taste. Oh, and by the way, I haven't eaten anything since morning. I'm gonna belt food. We'll finish this up and we'll head out. Okay, bruv. Now where do we go for our first meal of the day? I'm thinking a cafe sort of a situation because 3 already बज चुके हैं. अगर मैं proper restaurant में जाऊँगा तो 4 बजे तक बंद भी हो जाएगा. So I'm thinking like, you know, a cafe situation would be better. Let's go, Bobbies. I've finalized Bougie Cafe here in Bandra itself. A lot of good reviews online. So we'll go check out what's on the menu. I haven't seen the menu yet. I'm hoping to get some lean proteins, some chicken. Fish is also fine. We'll belt at least 50-60 grams of protein in this meal. And then we'll come back to Taj. We'll explore more of Bandra in the evening when the weather is a bit more pleasant, because abhi thodi garmi hai, but it's still bearable. I feel like Bangalore mein aur bhi zyada chupti garmi hai. Lots of trees in this part of Mumbai, bro. And I also feel like these roads are pretty walkable. Sham ko if I want to get some steps, I can actually come out, walk to a cafe. That would be a fun experience. Just walking towards Bougie Cafe, Bobbies, and this area feels like the Indiranagar of Mumbai. Full trees, walkable streets, nice crowd, fancy cars. So bro, that's the spot, Bougie Cafe. I went inside and it was jam-packed. Not a single table available. Friday 3:30 PM, late lunch crowd. Anyways, I gave my number. नाम वाम लिखवा दिया है. He said he'll call me in 5-10 minutes. Okay, अपना number लग गया भाई. Let's cross this road. Alright bro, we out here at Bougie Cafe here in Mumbai. Packed, 4 PM crowd. Starting with a nice Americano, and I have some vanilla syrup on this side. And let's add some of that. I'm supposed to give it a mix, but it's okay. Decent coffee. For food, I'm starting with a grilled chicken sandwich. So this is a toasted chicken and cheese sandwich. Some barbecue chicken in there, some jalapenos. Those jalapenos are giving it a nice spicy afterkick. And this bread, bro, toasted perfectly. Just the right amount of butter. This with my iced Americano. Summer is here, bobbies. I'm going to be drinking a lot more of iced Americano. No more warm beverages for me. Apart from the sandwich, we also have some eggs Benedict. Bro, that's a very generous portion of eggs Benedict. I didn't expect it to be this big. That's massive. Now, bro, I love a good eggs Benedict. So let's see how these guys have done it. Okay, bro, that's the best eggs Benedict that I've had, but it is too heavy. Bro, I can't believe that I'm saying this, but I'm not able to finish it. It's a little too much. I had to take the rest of the eggs Benedict to go. I could not finish the food, bro. That's the first time ever that I'm packing food at a restaurant. Those eggs Benedict were so rich. Tasted amazing though. Okay, definitely the best eggs Benedict that I've had, but so heavy, so rich that I didn't want to force it upon myself. I want to have fun for dinner as well, no? And we have another 2 days here, so I want to pace my calories. At times like this, I wish I was an alcoholic. Just walk into a restaurant, get a drink, and then hop to another restaurant. You can't do that with coffee, right? How much coffee will you drink? You'll be shitting your pants after the third coffee. Alright, now, Bougie Cafe final review. Is it worth the hype? I'll get to the food in a minute, but first let's talk about the service. You see, when I walked in, there was not a single table free. It was jam-packed, but the staff was still very courteous. They were very kind. They took down my phone number and called me 5 minutes later, escorted me to my table, and the food came in barely any time. So service, 5 on 5. Amazing stuff, amazing hospitality. Now the food itself, I think the sandwich was okay. Like I'd give it a 7.5 on 10. But the eggs Benedict, bang on, bro. I don't think I've had a better eggs Benedict. So all in all, the food was also good. It was above average. So it is definitely worth the hype, and the name Bougie is apt. Bougie means high class, Bougie means fashionable, and I think Bougie Cafe was a very trendy, fashionable, Instagrammable cafe. Okay, bro, I walked a good 4 kilometers back to the hotel. I think that lunch is now burnt off. I deserve a dessert. Lucky for me, I have macaroons by Laudre right here in the Taj lobby. The only other place that I've seen this cart is in Bangalore, UB City. Bro, I love these macaroons. Bro, I have an idea. Let's go shower and then tuck into bed and eat this. Shower done, bobbies. I've now changed into my bathrobe. You gotta check this out, huh? This bathrobe is like a skirt. It makes me feel like such a chick. Now let's go eat my macaroon. Bro, I love wearing a bathrobe, tucking myself into bed and munching on something. There's just a different pleasure in it. Also, who would have thought that documenting my weight loss journey would get me to stay in such places? You never know, bro. Whatever you do, just give it your best. Now, I'm gonna give it my best while eating these macaroons. Here you go, bruv. Oh, God. Salted caramel macaroons from Laudre. The best. There's no comparison. There's no other macaroon in the country that comes close to this. Okay, I don't want to rot in bed. I've come to Mumbai to explore. If I wanted to do a staycation, I'd have stayed somewhere in Bangalore itself. Let's first explore this property and then find a place to do dinner. I just came to the lobby and there's a sunset ritual happening here. ये flute live बजा रहे हैं, पीछे कुछ diyas हैं. Taj does this in every one of their luxury properties at 7 p.m. Here's a bird's eye view of the lobby, the reception. यहाँ पे check-in हो रहे हैं. यहाँ पे हुआ था sunset ceremony. यहाँ पे कुछ लोग बैठ के chill कर रहे हैं. Decent lobby, bro. But nothing beats the lobby of Taj Palace, Delhi. That was in a different league altogether. This is a old hotel, relatively old, and I feel like it's due for a renovation. Even rooms felt a little outdated. On level 2, you have the wellness center and the pool. That's where we're going. Bro, I just found a crazy sunset spot. There's a paddle court here in the fitness center, and right opposite is the sunset with a beach view. Bruv, had I known this, I would have come here during sunset time. Also, bobbies, I just found out that Shah Rukh Khan ka ghar hamare hotel ke bagal mein hi hai. His bungalow Mannat is right here. So I thought, why not drop by, say hi to him. It's been a while since I met him, right? He's my best buddy. Let's go say hi to him. I can't record that conversation because he wants to keep his life private. So you guys just assume that I met him. Bro, this is crazy. People have lined up outside Shah Rukh Khan's house on a random Friday night at 7:30 p.m. and they're taking pictures. See that? Mannat ke samne photo le rahe hain. This is the bungalow, by the way. You can't really see much. It's very well guarded, obviously, for all the right reasons. But yeah, I think this is a private security. I'm not too sure. And look, people taking photos proper pose karke. Alright, bruv, I have now come to Andheri to meet up with a creator friend of mine. Do you guys know who Digvijay Singh is? He was one of the first fitness creators on Instagram Reels. I've been following him since early 2021, back when I started my own fitness journey. So we've met once before. When he came to Bangalore, I took him to a couple of spots. Now that I am in Mumbai, he's gonna show me around. Meet Digvijay. I'm sure you guys know him.
Where you must have seen me maybe on Instagram making high protein recipes or just chilling or playing paddle.
That's right. So I was telling them that Digvijay was one of the first fitness creators that I followed on Instagram.
Yeah.
Back when I started my own transformation, early 2021.
Let's go. Yeah.
And so he's one of the OGs here.
And my brother, the big man.
Hey, thank you, bro.
Yeah, yes. I mean, I met him some time back, but I've been following him since a very long time. Crazy transformation. I think every time I see his transformation, it's insane. And every time he posts a transformation, it always goes viral. That's because it's so good.
AI, guys.
Before AI was cool. My brother did it.
So guys, Digvijay has got me here at Drink Apartment.
Yeah, it's called the Drink Apartment. It's by my friends Aryan and Raj. Banger food, dude. You should try their food.
Insane food, guys. This is a pasta with about 150 grams chicken in it because I was low on protein. Tastes amazing. Digvijay has some eggs and bread. And we also have a French toast that looks...
It's a caramel French toast. It's very indulgent, but you should definitely try it. I think after a good long workout or paddle session, at least a bite or two would not hurt.
Should we try this first?
Yeah, bro. Try it with the pudding and... Yeah, let's go. I know it's very indulgent though, but taste-wise...
That's a 10.
Yeah,
that's insane. Call the chef.
Call the chef. किसने खाना बनाया?
किसने बनाया?
Have you seen the videos में कहते हैं किसने खाना बनाया? बताओ मुझे.
No, this is insane.
Oh my god, the chef.
This is insane. I'm gonna leave that for you because I don't want to get fat again. So I started this vlog by saying, that Mumbai influencers hype Mumbai food.
Yeah.
Is it actually worth the hype? So far, it's been worth the hype.
That's true. Not all the places though. Some places I don't want to name them, but they are just hype. just pure hype. You go there, you're like, dude, this food should be free. You should pay me to eat this food.
Guys, I'm taking leave now. Say bye to Digvijay.
So it's a very emotional moment.
Yeah.
We had some great time, great bro time, and great food. Love the food. And I'll see my brother soon, maybe in Bangalore. We'll maybe try some Meghna biryani with some Rameshwaram or CTR or some good dosas.
Taza Tindi. The last time
Taza
he came...
Tindi, oh yeah. I remember every time in Bangalore, I think of going to Taza Tindi because he told me, bro, the best dosas. Bro, once I said dosa because North India mein dosa kehte hain.
Yeah.
Right? Oh bro, I got schooled by so many people from Bangalore, Hyderabad. They're like, it's dosa. It's dose or dosa. I'm like, sorry bro.
Yapper, he's not stopping. Guys, ask him to start long format content. I've been telling him to do YouTube.
Now if you see long form content, I anyway document all my life. If I start making long form content, my brother has motivated me today.
My brother Digvijay is a creator inside out. You point a camera at him and he'll keep talking non-stop. Bro, and everything he says makes sense, okay? I spent 3 hours with him and not even for a minute did I touch my phone. I did not get distracted even once because the conversations were just so meaningful and a lot for me to learn as well. See, he's a very successful creator and there's a lot that I can take from him. So I had a lovely time and the food, oh my god bro, what do I even say about the food? This place, Drink Apartment in Andheri West, insanely good. That pasta, the best pasta I've eaten in my life, like no doubt about it. I'm not even a pasta person, okay, but this is something I would definitely order. And that French toast, oh my god. I would not order the French toast again because of how good it was. Bro, it's too indulgent. It's like 1500 calories in one plate. I enjoyed it thoroughly, but I know for a fact that I might regret it tomorrow when I step on the scale. But anyways, it was a fun experience. Definitely worth the calories, and thank you so much Digvijay for
showing me around. Now I'm in a cab headed towards Muhammad Ali Road. So Muhammad Ali Road is Mumbai ka Fraser Town. This is where the Ramzan food stalls are put up. Tomorrow is Eid, so today is the last time that I'll get to experience these Ramzan food stalls. So I want to make the most out of it.
Bro, I just reached Muhammad Ali Road and the honking has not stopped even for a second. Sir, इधर अच्छा शीख कबाब कहाँ मिलेगा?
अच्छा सीख कबाब
हाँ, मटन का.
मार्केट में नवाब.
Okay, if I enter this market, it's either I get the best food ever or I don't make it out alive. Except there's no way I can enter, bro. Bro, a bike just went over my foot. Yeah, I'm getting the fuck out of here.